Namaskar, welcome to India Meteorological Department IMD in its daily weather briefing program of 14th November. So, in this briefing, we will discuss about past 24 hours realized rainfall, weather systems, and weather warnings for next 5 days. So, let us look at this slide showing observed rainfall during past 24 hours, ending at 8:30 hours IST. So, from this, we can see that in Tamil Nadu and Kerala reported good amount of rainfall during past 24 hours. And one or two stations in coastal Karnataka, Jharkhand, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, South Central Karnataka, and Odisha also reported heavy to variable rainfall at one or two places. If we look at quantitatively, we can see that in Kanyakumari district, one of the stations reported 22 centimeter, and another station reported 14 centimeter, and so on. So we can say that in Kanyakumari district, a good amount of rainfall has been realized. In Kerala and Mahi, Ernakulam reported good amount of rainfall. That is, Kochi and North Paragur reported 19 centimeter each, and Alwai reported 15 centimeter, and so on. In coastal Karnataka, one of the station Dharmasthala reported 14 centimeter. In Jharkhand, Simdega, Kardeg reported 15 centimeter. In coastal Andhra Pradesh, Srikakulam district, one of the stations reported 7 centimeter. In Rayalaseema, Kurnool district, one of the stations reported 7 centimeter. In Chhattisgarh, one station, Raigad district, one of the station, Lailunga reported 10 centimeter. And in South Central Karnataka, Mandya district, one of the stations reported 9 centimeter. In Odisha in districts of Ganjam, one of the stations reported 8 centimeter, and the districts of Nayagarh reported 8 centimeter, and so on. So this is some of the significant rainfall during past 24 hours I have mentioned here. So if we look at the silent features of today's briefing, so we can say that in summary that a low pressure area lies over central parts of Andaman Sea, and if we go for its forecast, it is likely to move west northwest parts and become well marked over North Andaman Sea and adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal by 15th November, and thereafter it is likely to continue to move west northwest parts across east central and adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal, concentrate into a depression over west central Bay of Bengal by 17th November, and reach near South Andhra Pradesh coast around 18th November. So this is the situation of this present low pressure area over central parts of Andaman Sea. And another low pressure area likely to form over east central or even sea of South Maharashtra and Goa coast around 17th November. And accordingly, pressure band warning has been issued in association with the low pressure area over central parts of Andaman Sea and its movement. If we summarize fishermen warning, then we can say that fishermen are advised not to venture into Andaman Sea and adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal on 14th and 15th November, and over west central and adjoining east central Bay of Bengal during 16th to 18th November, and along end of Andhra Pradesh and South Odisha, North Tamil Nadu coast on 17th and 18th November. So those fishermen who are out in deep sea areas of Bay of Bengal are advised to return to coast by 15th November. For other fishermen warning, it is recommended kindly refer our warning graphics available at this RSMC and mausam.ind.gov.in websites. So similarly, we have here again we present some of the synoptic systems and satellite in today's satellite imagery animation. So we can see that yesterday's cyclonic circulation over southeast Arabian Sea is still persisting, and cyclonic circulation over North India Tamil Nadu now lies over South India Karnataka and North India Tamil Nadu in lower tropospheric levels, and this low pressure area I have already discussed. Then it will move northwestwards and will reach to this South Andhra Pradesh coast by 18th November. So accordingly, in association with low pressure area, warning has been issued, and the warning graphics I have also here put in this slide. From this, we can see that today we have 40 to 50 gusting to 60 kmph over Andaman Sea and adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal. And on 14th, this will speed and reach 45 to 55 gusting to 65 over the same area, that is Andaman Sea and adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal. And then on this 16 to 18, Fishermen are advised not to venture in this west central adjoining east central Bay of Bengal, and on 17 and 18 along end of this Andhra Pradesh adjoining South Odisha and North Tamil Nadu coasts. As far as during next this 2 days is concerned, this area like along end of this Karnataka and Kerala coast and this southeast Arabian Sea, wind speed is likely to prevail 40 to 50 gusting to 60 kmph during next 2 days, and then under the influence of strong wind and squally winds, that is 40 to 50 gusting to 60 over this Karnataka and South Maharashtra coast subsequent 3 days, that is during 17, 18 and 19. So accordingly fishermen warning has been issued, and it is recommended kindly visit our RSMC website. There we have put also a special bulletin in connection with low pressure area over central parts of Andaman Sea. So these are the weather warning, rainfall and thunderstorm and fishermen warnings graphics for during next 5 days. So today, red color shows that there is a possibility of heavy to very heavy and isolated extremely heavy over this Kerala subdivision, and also there is a possibility of extremely heavy rainfall at one or two places over this South Tamil Nadu area. So these are the two met subdivisions where a good amount of rainfall is likely to happen during next 24 hours. And as far as this very heavy rainfall is also concerned over this coastal Karnataka and this Andaman Nicobar Islands on 14th, and heavy rainfall is expected over south interior Karnataka. And also there is a possibility of isolated cold wave over northern parts of Rajasthan during next 2 days. And as far as thunderstorm activity is concerned, it is likely to continue over South Peninsular India during next 5 days. And if we look at weather warnings for 15th, we can say that orange color shows that heavy to very heavy rainfall likely to continue over Kerala on 15th as well, and also over Andaman Nicobar Islands. And heavy rainfall is expected over Tamil Nadu and South Interior Karnataka and Goa area. And as far as rainfall wind warning is concerned on 16th, we can say that this rainfall episode will decrease on 16th. However, heavy rainfall at one or two places is expected over Kerala, Tamil Nadu, coastal and south interior Karnataka and Goa met subdivisions, and also over Andaman Nicobar Islands. On 17th, under the influence of this low pressure area over central parts of Andaman Sea and its movement towards Andhra Pradesh, so there is a possibility of very heavy rainfall on 17th over coastal Andhra Pradesh and heavy rainfall over Odisha, and also heavy rainfall is expected over this Tamil Nadu and Telangana areas. And thunderstorm, as already told, very likely to continue over South Peninsular India and Maharashtra during next 4 5 days. As far as weather warning, especially rainfall warning on 18 is concerned, this rainfall episode of Odisha and coastal Andhra Pradesh likely to continue on 18 as well. So very heavy rainfall is expected over coastal Andhra Pradesh on 18th, and heavy rainfall over south coastal Odisha, Telangana and Tamil Nadu and Rayalaseema areas. So these are the weather warning and pressure wind warning for next 5 days. It is requested kindly visit our mosam.ind.gov.in time to time, because we are updating our bulletins 4 times a day. If any changes happened, we are mentioning in our bulletins and also updating on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Thank you. And we will meet again tomorrow with another episode of Daily Weather Warnings.